Hi, my name is Carrie, and I'm the team lead of the product training department here at Wellness Living. In this training video, I'm going to walk you through how to use the Isaac Churn Risk Report to go ahead and increase your client retention rate and let you capture those churn risk before they leave your business. For staff members to access the Isaac Churn Risk Report, within their dashboard, they can go ahead and customize their dashboard by clicking on the three dots and clicking on Customize. And just like any other reports, they can add and remove the Isaac Churn Risk Report as needed. So currently on my test account, the Isaac Churn Risk is already selected. If it weren't, it would stay on the left-hand side at the very top as Isaac Churn Risk. Click on that to add it back. I can place it in the order that I want it to be displayed in the dashboard, and I can click on Save. So now we're on the dashboard, and this is how the Isaac Churn Risk Report will display on the dashboard. So from here, you can see currently I have 7 active pass holders and 35 active members, and Isaac predicts that 42 clients are churn risk for next month. So these are the 42 clients that are currently on the report as a churn risk. And what staff member or business owners can do is click on View Report. And this is going to pull the Isaac Churn Risk Report in the report section with all the clients that are listed, which is the total of 42 of them, along with which client type they are. So then staff members and business owners alike can go ahead and go through this list and try to prevent that potential churn risk that is upcoming. And now this feature is obviously amazing to have because it'll help all our business owners retain more of their customers, because essentially Isaac will generate a report to show you who is statistically most likely to leave based on the data that he's been tracking from your business. And with this information, you can shift your strategy to keeping these members or focusing on your loyal clientele. There are a few additional things to note in regards to staff members accessing the churn risk report. One is that if you take a look at my screen right now, I am on a staff roles permissions page, and there is a permission called dashboard. Now for the dashboard access, that simply means that whoever has the dashboard access and they can edit, delete, or share dashboards, obviously that staff member will be able to add or remove the churn risk report and also share any dashboards that have it. But that doesn't necessarily mean that a staff member without this dashboard access cannot access the churn risk report. So in a scenario where, let's say, for example, a business owner has created a dashboard and he or she has added the churn risk report onto a dashboard and shared that dashboard with the staff members that do not have access to the dashboard access. In this case, even though the staff members may not have this specific staff role here, they will still be able to see that dashboard that is shared with them that includes the churn risk report, and they will definitely be able to see the churn risks on that report. Now, another thing to note is in regards to an additional staff role setting here. So if I go ahead and scroll down, and that is in regards to the clients that the staff has access to. So right over here, clients. So if they have access to all clients, perfect. On that churn risk report, they'll be able to see all the churn risk. However, if that specific staff member has the setting of only my clients that they have permissions to, they will still see the churn risk report, but the clients they'll see will only be the clients that are available to them and not every client in the database. Now, 2 more things I do want to discuss is in regards to accessing the churn risk, not through the dashboard, but through our all clients report. So there's 2 ways to do so. One is by accessing the clients tab directly on the app drawer, the top navigation bar, which will bring us to this page, which will bring up the all clients report. And under our filter here, advanced filter, we will have a new filter called churn risk where we can say yes or no and filter by churn risk on the all clients report. And then the other option would be going to the reports section through the app drawer. And through there, we're going to click on clients and then choose the all clients report. And same thing as the example previously, if we go under advanced filters, there will be now, if I scroll to the right hand side, there is now an advanced filter for churn risk as well. So this is another method that staff members can view churn risk for the clients of their business.